Morning, beautiful people. It's the final day in Gili Islands. We're having breakfast on the beach as per usual. That's the standard in the hotel. That's a lot of drinks, sir. Okay, so let me show you the breakfast. I don't know why this man brought himself water by himself.
You want water?
No, sit down. It's okay.
If you want some, I can water.
It's okay. Go. So, what time is it? It's like 8, né? 8 o'clock, 8:05 in the morning. We're trying to rush to do the island hopping tour. Then we still have to go to the next island. Then that's gonna be a rest day. Then we still have to go to the next island. After that next island, then only do we go back to Bali. Yeah.
Another one.
Yeah.
Oh, Nusa.
So that should be interesting.
Nusa is not gonna be resting.
No, we're not. Okay, so people are at the statue place. They are diving. I will not be diving because I'm scared of water and I haven't learned to swim. I was supposed to do it at Virgin, but that guy never called me back. So I was just like, let it be what it is. Find another place to do it when I go back home, which sucks because now I'm missing out on this experience. But I guess we'll get to do it again. Boyfriend is out there somewhere in the crowd of people. Let me show y'all. Yeah. Officially at Gili Air, right? This is Air. Meno's on the other side. This is the smallest of the three, the least developed.
Everything's alright with a violet sky on my skin. Ooh, baby, I feel high with a violet sky on my skin. Let me breathe deep, let me get away. There's no place else I'd rather be. Ooh, everything's alright with a violet sky.
can go to the
Seen one
How do you think black people do you think black people see broken boards and they're like, oh, let's go here? They're like, no, bitch. I understand their side, but just not do it.
might have been a tsunami.
Let me get away. There's no place else I'd rather be.
Very much in this. Guys, kana la ring nare, la re ke island living na. Mo nate tota.
No, not this. Like I can do every 2 weeks or month, every 2 weeks or month.
Or monthly na. Kona le also mongwe a re she's been traveling for like 3 months now. O resign ko Morocco. O exhaustile the vacation days. Ba qeda a resign. A lefa. Ne? Ha boela le go boela. A re ya gona go kra Morocco go simple a se fetsa thata. Ha boela ta ba itira gona go dira di interview. O di chapa online. Then motito mongwe sham a re ntse ha e chile o itse chichi ka qota a re you ibile 5 years ka fela ke sa e go bona batho ba bangwe ke a tsamaya a ba ka porogana tsa ga 2 weeks ka 2 months ka fela o sa sangali Asia e o shaba di up and down mo Asia hey a re ga itse gore o tla go boela neng mara le ene o dira di interview I guess ga qeta go kera mmereko he's gonna go back
I don't know remote.
A re nyaka remote so era gore o tla go ba bereka fa a dula fa yo guys nna ke a dumatle mmereko re kgethileng ke mmereko e le gore go nyaka hands on wila bona yo when you can work from anywhere in the world shim you just need a VPN you're good and you can pay for a VPN and you're good and yo rena ba bangwe I get lo no sa nyake vele
Well, because I didn't like being tired of finding connection that bad.
yeah but guys anyway we at Gili Meno so go sharp man a whole next
I almost died.
this guy jumped into the ocean like he's jumping into a pool current amudirang ya re tla kwano
It wasn't the time.
ene ke mbuditse ga re ga re tloga kwa ke rile re le ka badimo a re a fetsa a ba le ka sammo I guess badimo ba hae ba sa mmetse modimo wa hae o sa mmetse di planet tse golo so hopefully go papa and go nkira housewife because I can't live like this anymore ngutla ha ke sa khona ke batla
I'll make babies.
it's fine there's a lot of help I get I'm gonna have a housekeeper, a au pair / nanny. I'm gonna have a chef. Again, it's fine. Like we did that thing. I get why Phoebe. I get why. Anyway, we forgot the phones on the boat, so I can't do a drone shot for you guys. As seeing it. Maybe go Melo, go Gili.
Oh, hij stort hem in
Eh,
gevouwen.
this is Gili
Ik dacht dat er
Meno
2
actually.
vliegen waren.
This is Gili Air. I almost said Truangan. This is Gili Air. We are here for lunch. The whole trip cost us 200,000 rupiah, which is about 200 rand per person. With a group of other people, I'm genuinely not gonna eat anything. I'm just probably gonna have some drinks because my belly is not feeling grand. Like, it's not sore, I'm not tired, but I'm not grand, you know. So, but I'm grand, but I'm not grand. My stomach is not grand, but I'm grand. So it's belly, yeah. But then other than that, I'm grand. It's been a day. We still have to go to Lombok and shoot a room tour for you guys and chill out by the pool. I think it's gonna be the only day we're gonna do a pool chill out now. Then we go back to Bali. Oh, then we still have to go to Nusa. Kill me now. Ang filet tea and I need to bake the two. It's not chicken. What is this? Fried ice cream. Got my sugar. Drinking my tea. Waiting. Okay. Jumping back on the boat from Gili Air. We are going home. Then we are gonna go to Lombok. Say good name. Ahan is tired, eh? Ahan is really tired. So this place was used by Japanese people in World War II. In World War II. I'm born. It's a UNESCO Heritage Site.